Greetings, Earthlings. It's Dr. Alien here. Today, I'm here to talk about your glyceryl trinitrate spray, commonly known as a heart spray. This magical spray is used to prevent and relieve chest pain, known as angina. Now, angina happens when your heart doesn't get enough oxygen because the blood vessels are a bit too tight. The heart spray opens up these blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow and reducing the strain on your heart. When should you use it? You can spray it when you feel chest pain or right before you do something that might cause chest pain, like exercise. To use it, take off the cap, hold the bottle upright, and spray under your tongue. Close your mouth afterward. There's no need to shake it. Sit down and rest until the pain eases up. If the pain doesn't go away, you can repeat the dose after a few minutes. But if 2 sprays don't help, call for medical help immediately. Now, here's something important. Priming the spray means spraying it into the air once or twice when you first use it, or if you haven't used it in a while. This makes sure the spray works properly when you need it. Store your spray at a temperature below 25 degrees and make sure it doesn't freeze. Never try to puncture the canister and don't use it after its expiry date. And remember, always carry your spray with you and get a new one before it runs out. Now a little heads up. Some side effects you might notice include a throbbing headache, flushing, or dizziness. But don't worry. These usually get better as your body adjusts to the spray. There you have it. My cosmic wisdom on your heart spray. Stay safe, Earthlings. Capsule closed, prescription filled.